Hi guys, are you dreaming of studying in Europe but want an affordable, high quality education? Then Netherlands might be the perfect destination for you. In today's video, I will share the top universities, best courses, fee, scholarships, cost of living, and step by step how to apply through StudienLink. So, if you are planning to study abroad in 2026, watch this video till end. And why study in the Netherlands is my first topic. The Netherlands is one of the most popular destinations for international students. And why it is most popular? Because 95% of people speak English in Netherlands. It has affordable compared to UK, USA and Australia the cost of study, and over 2000 English taught programs, world ranked universities, safe for students, and it is student friendly and modern country. Hub for technology, business, engineering and sciences, and Schengen visa gives access to 26 countries in Europe. And whether you want to study engineering, business law, agriculture, or artificial intelligence, the Netherlands offers global quality education with excellent job prospects. Now comes on part 2 is top universities in Netherlands. Here are some top universities in the Netherlands for international students in 2026. Number 1, TU Delft, world famous for engineering, computer science and architecture. Number 2, University of Amsterdam, best for business, social sciences, psychology and data science. On number 3 is Erasmus University Rotterdam, excellent for business, management and economics. Number 4 is Leiden University, one of the oldest universities known for law, international relations and humanities. Number 5, Utrecht University, strong in sciences, medicine and environmental studies. On number 6 is Wageningen University WUR, number 1 in the world for agriculture, food science and biotechnology. On number 7 is University of Groningen, popular for business, science and international relations. Number 8, University of Twente, known for engineering, IT, technology innovations. And on part 3 of my video is most popular courses. The most popular courses, English taught courses in Netherlands. Some of the most in-demand courses among international students include computer science, data science and AI, engineering, mechanical, electrical and industrial, logistics and supply chain, environmental sciences, biotechnology and food technology, psychology, law and international relations. In the part 4 of my video is tuition fees and living costs. Now let's talk about the cost. In the Netherlands, tuition fee vary depending on the type of university. The tuition fee per year for research universities varies from Euro 10,000 to Euro 22,000 a year, and for applied sciences universities, the per year fee varies from Euro 7,500 to Euro 12,000 per year. Now comes the living cost in Netherlands for international students. For accommodation, you can expect Euro 350 to Euro 650 per month. Food and transport Euro 300 to Euro 400 per month. Insurance Euro 100 approximately. Total monthly cost is around Euro 800 to Euro 1200 depending on the lifestyle and city. Now comes on part 5 of my video is scholarships for international students and specifically for Indian students. Here are the top scholarships that reduce your overall cost. Number 1, Holland Scholarship, Euro 5,000. For international students joining bachelor's or master's program, the Holland Scholarship is available. On number 2 is Orange Tulip Scholarship, called OTS, designed specifically for Indian students. On number 3 is Erasmus Mundus Scholarship. It is a full scholarship with stipend for selected masters. On number 4 is University Scholarships. Leiden Excellence Scholarship, Amsterdam Merit Scholarship, Utrecht Excellence Scholarship, Maastricht High Potential Scholarship, and TU Delft Excellence Scholarships. So guys, this is all about the scholarships for international students in Netherlands. In part 6 of my video, how to apply step by step in Netherlands through Student Link. To apply to a Dutch university, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Choose your program and university. Make sure it is English taught. Number 2. Create your account on Student Link, that is studentlink.nl. Step 3. Submit your application. You will need passport, academic transcripts, IELTS score, SOP, CV, and recommendation letters for master's program. Step 4. Upload documents in university portal. Step 5. Pay the application fee. Step 6. Receive conditional offer letter. Step 7. Pay tuition deposits and receive final offer. Step 8. Visa process. Good news. Universities in the Netherlands apply for your student visa on your behalf. You just provide the required documents. So guys, this is a very good news that you have to simply provide your documents, and universities of Netherlands, they apply student visa on your behalf. On part 7 of my video for Netherlands is the post-study visa and job opportunities. The Netherlands offer a very attractive 1-year orientation visa offer after graduation. This allows you to stay in the Netherlands for 12 months to search for a job. The country is a hub for many global companies such as Philips, ASML, Shell, ING Bank, Heineken, Booking.com, and Unilever. Students with degrees in engineering, AI, business, and life sciences are highly employable. So, on conclusion, if I say this was your complete guide to studying in the Netherlands in 2026, from top universities and courses to fees, scholarship, and the entire admission process, everything you need is covered in this video. If you want a personalized university list, cost calculator, or help with your application, just comment below in my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel Mamta Nagrat for more visa, travel, and study abroad guidance. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.